The largest living terrestrial animals, male African elephants can reach a height of 13 feet and weigh 15,000 pounds. The elephant's large ear flaps help to control the temperature of its body. Elephants tend to stay near water. Baby elephants are called calves. Predators tend to only attack calves. The oldest cow, or female, is called a matriarch. Male cows are called bulls. Elephants can live up to 70 years in the wild. Elephant intelligence has been compared to that of primates. They appear to have self-awareness and show empathy for dying or dead individuals of their kind. One of the biggest threats to elephant populations is the ivory trade, as the animals are poached for their ivory tusks.